Hello everyone, from me and Bless, and I'm sharing one more video. In this video, my sister is scolding him because he ate his hair and other cat's hair too. She was saying this is not good to eat hair. You can get it. After that, she loved him so much.
Hello everyone. Hey, hello from Lucy. Hello from Lucy. Now, now it's medicine time. Lucy's medicine time. Okay? Yes. Okay, now Lucy, take your medicine. He is a good boy and he believes it. That medicine will make me healthy. Active. Say I love you. I love you all. I love you all. Lucy.
But after taking his medicine, which was just not medicine, he came to bite Grace. But Dory is so sweet.
Oh, Dory protect.
Dory is taking care of Grace and protecting from
No
Lucy.
bite.
But still,
Really?
he got a chance to bite him. Lucy is so naughty. After that, Grace was watching Cat Penny video from the Cat Penny. We got a notification on the Cat Penny and we watched it together. After that, but I was thinking that Grace is doing the same thing. Grace reminds me Bless, and Bless always love to watch all shows with me, means all videos with me. And now Grace is doing the same thing. Yes. And guys, we love you all so much. Thank you for supporting us. And love from Bless, Grace, and from me.